So you ever wonder if rust penetrant actually works? I always questioned it. Does it actually do anything? Does it actually penetrate rust? Um, I don't think it actually does. I think it gets in there a little bit, but Singer sewing machine oil get in there a little bit. So I got a little project that I want to try here, or a little experiment rather I want to try. Let me show you what I got. I have the C-clamp that I found laying around outside. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it with some rust penetrant. Now this thing is locked up. I cannot turn that thing to save my life. It will not turn. So I didn't put a lot of effort into it because I didn't want to actually break it free. But I'm going to take a well-known rust penetrant. I'm not going to say the name, but it's like peanut butter something or other. I'm going to spray it. Now, I don't want to use a lot. But, you know, just enough. And my reason being is, now I'm going to penetrate the threads up there, and I'm going to let it wick down. But I think that's enough to prove my point. Now what I'm going to do tomorrow, I'm going to let this sit overnight. It's about 5:30 now. I'm going to let this sit overnight, and then tomorrow morning, like 7:30 in the morning, I'm going to put this in a vise and I'm going to break it free. And I want to see just how far that rust penetrant got. What do you think? Do you think it'll actually go in there? Judging by the rust on there, I don't think it's super seized up. I'm pretty sure I could break it free by hand. But I guess we're going to find out. I really am just curious on how far and how deep that rust penetrant will get in there. So I guess we'll find out. So this is part one. If you like my videos, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. Share them with your friends. That's about it for today. You guys have a great day and keep wrenching.